Good morning to you and welcome to the Pset Systems channel. I'm FABIO LAVELLI, and in this video I will show you how simple, fast and especially practical it is to use Pset positioners to sand, mill and work on any type of wood project without sacrificing comfort or performance.
Senza rovinarne le superfici, in perfetta comunità ed ottenendo il massimo rendimento. Utilizzando il posizionatore.
Using the PS6 positioner, you can gain efficiency in maneuvers, establishing and perfecting positions that will allow you to perform at your best, even in the most demanding processes, improving finishes and increasing the ergonomics of many other tasks. We are now in the workshop and want to perform various tasks on a medium-sized object like a guitar body that has a challenging shape to work on. With Pset's shaped mats, we can protect the surface and fix the piece on the platform with quick fasteners. At this point, you can start immediately without wasting time, performing all possible maneuvers quickly and comfortably. No matter how complex or irregular, shapes can be processed with ease. Today I can make and complete the shape I have designed without the usual problems of anchoring, positioning, or damaging, resulting in higher quality work. The movements are very simple. I quickly press the pedal, orientate to the new position, and continue on the task at hand.
I movimenti sono semplicissimi. Velocemente premo il pedale, mi oriento nella nuova posizione e proseguo con la lavorazione.
When I need to have maximum freedom, I can also fix items without clamps thanks to the Venturi plate accessory that provides stable anchoring free from mechanical fixing constraints. This type of operation can also be carried out on objects with larger and more important dimensions, and in this case you can rely on a larger, high capacity positioner such as the P10S model. The positioner works through a pneumatic foot valve which unlocks the platform and allows it to be orientated to the most practical and ergonomic position to work. Release the pedal and the platform stays solid in position. This way you can easily carry out every kind of work, reaching all the desired positions with maximum speed, all in a quick, comfortable manner without wasting time looking for poor and uncertain positions and fixings. There are no limits as you can go from one part to the other at full speed, now going from the body of a guitar to a wine case. Every manual process will become simple thanks to the functions of Pset positioners and their accessories. Without fatigue, it will be possible to reach all areas needing work, with guarantee of accuracy and stability of the piece on the platform. The speed of position changes, combined with the working ergonomics of the operator, will ensure you significant time savings while increasing the quality of work. Getting all these benefits now is possible with Pset's P6S positioner. Pset, change your perspective.